Hi guys, thanks for joining me today as we say the sounds in words. So if you notice up on the board today, I have two sound boxes. This sound box is for words that have three sounds. 1, 2, 3. And the smaller sound box is for words that have 1, 2 sounds. So let's go ahead and get started. Our first word is duck. So I know that duck has 3 sounds in it. So I'm going to tap out the sounds, and I'd like you to tap the sounds along with me in duck. Here we go. D, a, k. Do it again. D, a, k. One more time. D, a, k. Okay, and before I push my little circles up into the sound boxes, if you want to pause the video, you can go get something to push, like a toy or anything at all that moves. Okay, so here we go. Let's tap the sound one more time in duck. D, a, k. And now we're going to push the sounds. D, a, k. Alrighty. So now our next word is super delicious. Cake. It has 3 sounds. So let's tap the sounds out in cake. K, a, k. Do it again. K, a, k. One more time. K, a, k. And let's push those sounds. K, a, k. All right. 3 sounds in the word cake. Cat is next. It also has 3 sounds. So here we go. K, a, t. Again. K, a, t. Once more. K, a, t. And let's push it. K, a, t. There we go. Those are the sounds we say in cat. Now we have knee. So I know that knee only has 2 sounds in it. So let's tap those 2 sounds in knee. N, e. Do it with me again. N, e. Once more. N, e. And I think you know what comes next. Here we go. N, e. All right. Now we have some rain. Let's see, that goes there. And we're ready. A, n. Do it again. A, n. One more time. A, n. And here we go up on the board. A, n. Those are the sounds we make when we say rain. Now, if this is hard for you, I want you to think of it this way. It's kind of like I'm slowing down the word when I say it, like this. Rain. I hear all of those sounds. Rain. Every time I make a new sound, my mouth moves. Rain. One more time. Rain. So if it's hard for you, all you need to do is keep practicing. Jar has 2 sounds in it. So I think this one will be a little bit easier. Here we go. Let's tap it. J-R. Do it again, please. J-R. Once more. J-R. Here we go. J-R. Okay. Oh, I think you know who this guy is. Bug is our next word. with 3 sounds. Here we go. Ba, g. Again. Ba, g. Once more, please. Ba, g. And ba, g. Ooh, look, the colors match. That beautiful green and that beautiful blue. Okay. So this is our last one for the day. Red, the color red, with 3 sounds in it. Here we go. D. Again. D. Once more. D. And D. Yay, we did it. Thank you so much for joining me. See you next time.